Hi guys, welcome to my channel. If it's your first time here, I am Claudia. Welcome. Please do not forget to subscribe to my channel. I'm on the road for 1,000 subscribers. It's nearly there. I want to achieve that before the end of the year. But anyways guys, I'm here to share with you a DIY project. I picked up this frame. It was a broken mirror that it was in the bin. I was coming from the car park, and I live in a tower block, so it was some bags in there, and I saw this frame, and I had this project in mind. I didn't want to pay £300 for a Chanel sign or £150 from an Etsy shop, so I had this idea in mind. And guys, this is the mirror that are broken. What I wanted was the frame itself, so I start applying gesso here because the base was like a plywood, and I'm kind of new to these art things, so I want to mask the base. It was like a woody sort of a light brown color. It's not perfect, but I think that's what I like about it. So gesso give that sort of a white base for me to play with. So guys, the frame is quite solid, and I quite like the fact that it's already black and silver sort of a trimming frame. It looks quite expensive, and here I'm just trying to get the word on the right position, because it's quite tricky, guys. I'm not very good in measuring things, I have to say, but I kind of just went and start placing the little decorative nuggets in place. As you can see here, I am trying to decide. I put the frame on the floor and try to decide. So here it is. They're quite nice. It costs £1.49 for my local B&M. I'm going to be using my glue gun to make it quite solid, permanent, and that's how I'm doing, and I'm achieving this fabulous Chanel sign. I know Chanel sign is normally the frame black and the sign white, but I think it looks so nice and modern. It's something that you could actually find in stores. Don't forget to subscribe, comment below, and let me know if you try this at home. So guys, just want to say, you probably noticed that my sign has got a little gaps in between. I really want to avoid that. However, it's very difficult to, if you don't have hand coordination, to achieve something so perfect. And it's my first time, and it's for myself, so that's not too bad. But I'm trying, obviously, to turn it around, and as a sort of a glue each bead, or better, nuggets in there. I'm just showing you guys if I like it or not, trying to see what parts needs to sort of be a bit more circular, go or sort of a round shape because of the C. And I did make a little mistake. In some areas were closer, the other areas were a bit more open, but I've got something in mind. I'll be gluing, or better, I ordered an acrylic brown metallic paint, and with a fine brush, I'll be going in between the little gaps, and that will kind of sort of a mask and give the illusion that there's no gaps in between. So, friends, I am looking at here, trying to decide if I should double that row there because it doesn't look that right. So I decided in a later date to do that. But let me show you in the bathroom without the double row of nuggets. I placed that prior to gluing everything down. Uh, it looked like something was missing. And I thought, no, I'm gonna go back and double it. That little area in the middle there, to be more Chanel like. And as you can see, it's not even perfect. It should be more outwards and not inwards, okay? But you don't make this mistake. It's just a matter of paying attention when you're gluing down. So, friends, I am just checking if any of the nuggets are loose, and I have to say that I am so excited. And this nugget is very reflective as well, and looks kind of metal, sort of has got a metal look to it. As you kind of sort of walking through the bathroom and you staring at it, it changes. It's just so nice. In the future, I'm gonna go wherever is white. I was planning to go with the silver, metallic silver, and paint over the white. But to be honest, I think the white, and because it's not so well perfect either, it makes it look so nice and original as well. Give me your like. Do not forget to subscribe to my channel. And yes, guys, I absolutely love it, and I think it's the right size for all my bathroom wall as well. And guys, yes, I hope you try that at home. Until next time, speak to you guys soon.